If you are looking for why your formula bar is missing in Excel, like this one, I have no formula bar over here. So how you can fix that? First, you need to go to the file and go to the option on the bottom. Click on that and head to the advanced tab and scroll down a little bit, and in the display you will see that show formula bar box is blank. You need to check it and click OK, and now you can see that formula bar is showing. In another way, you need to go to the view, and here you need to uncheck to hide formula bar and check it to visible formula bar. Another way is that you need to press Ctrl Shift plus U to make it expand. You can see that now formula bar is extend, and again Ctrl Shift plus U and make it in a standard format. So this way you can easily fix the issue of formula bar is missing in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.